Topic: Commercial properties of leather fabric skins, Lecture 9. Lecture Plan. What is leather fabric? History of leather. How is leather fabric made? What is leather fabric? Leather is a natural fabric made using tanned animal skin. Believed to be the first fabric crafted with human hands, leather has evolved significantly over the millennia. Leather remains, however, one of the most desirable textile products due to its durability, water resistance, insulative properties, and luxurious softness. Available in many different styles, grades, and colors, leather is one of the most diversified natural textiles. History of leather. The exact historical origins of leather making are unknown. Human beings have clothed themselves in animal skins for at least 400,000 years, but these fur-covered and untreated skins bore little resemblance to today's carefully cleaned and tanned leather textiles. Fabric name. Leather fabric, also known as hide, skin fabric composition. Tanned animal skins. Fabric breathability, low moisture wicking abilities, low heat retention abilities, high stretchability. Give, low prone to pilling, bubbling. Low country where fabric was first produced unknown. Prehistoric origins. Biggest exporting, producing country today Italy. By value, or China. By volume. Recommended washing temperatures. Hand wash cold, commonly used in jackets, coats, wallets, belts, bags, gloves, shoes, bookbindings, upholstery, automobile seats, saddles, luggage, sporting goods. Leather today. Leather remains a remarkably popular textile around the world, especially in populous, developing nations like India, Pakistan, and Bangladesh. Leather is one of the primary materials for shoes, bags, and other everyday items. Modern leather varies widely in grade, however, and leather textiles produced in India, China, and elsewhere are not commonly held in high regard. Instead, today's high-quality leather epicenter is Italy, which has remained the world's premier maker of fine leather for more than 500 years. People from every nation go out of their way to buy genuine Italian leather goods, and the most recognizable designer brands, including Gucci and Coach, almost exclusively use Italian-made leather. The modern era has seen the dawn of some of the worst quality leather, including recycled or bonded leather goods made in third world countries, and also the finest leather goods made in history, including genuine Italian top-grain leather. While leather has lost some degree of popularity in recent decades due to animal rights concerns, it remains common knowledge that there is simply no substitute for artisan-crafted leather goods. How is leather fabric made? Leather fabric is composed of specially treated animal skins. The leather-making process has three major stages: tanning preparation, tanning, and post-tanning processing. Tanning preparation. Before it's possible to tan leather, a removed animal hide must first be fleshed, which is the process of removing flesh and film from the back of the hide. Next, the hide is stretched, and it is subjected to a dehydrating process involving air drying, salting, or pickling. This step is necessary since animal hides will begin to decompose rapidly after being removed from the animal. Tanning. After arriving at a tannery, leather manufacturers soak hides in a mixture of lime and water to loosen hair and other undesired tissue. Next, a machine removes these substances. Leather manufacturers then wash the hides to remove any lime residue, and the hides are baited, which is a color-boosting process that removes non-fibrous protein. Once leather manufacturers have pickled the hides as a final softening process, they are ready to be tanned. The word tanning comes from tannin, tannic acid, which refers to a type of chemical found in the roots, bark, seeds, and a variety of other parts of many different plant species. These days, however, most leather manufacturers use mineral tanning instead of vegetable tanning, which involves a specific type of chromium called chromium 3 sulfate. Vegetable tanning can take weeks or months to complete, but mineral tanning usually only takes less than a single day. A variety of different tanning methods exist, but most involve soaking hides in a tanning solution. How is leather fabric used? Leather is one of the most versatile types of fabric. Renowned for its durability and insulative properties, leather is commonly used to make products in 3 distinct categories. Apparel. While leather can be uncomfortable when worn directly against the skin, this fabric is frequently used to make outerwear such as jackets and coats. In some cases, textile manufacturers may also use leather to make pants, shirts, or lingerie, but these applications are less common. Leather is also a popular material for boots and shoes. Accessories. Leather is one of the most popular materials for purses and handbags. Suitcases and other forms of luggage also frequently feature leather, and this material is frequently used to make briefcases. It is considered traditional to make belts and wallets using genuine leather. Homewares. Next to cotton, polyester, and other conventional upholstery materials, leather is one of the most common substances used to upholster couches, chairs, and even automobile seats. Less commonly, homewares manufacturers might use leather to fashion throw pillows, rugs, or wall hangings. While rare in modern times, bookbinders may also bind books using leather. Post-tanning processing. Once the tanning process is complete, hides are thoroughly dried, and they are dyed using one of a number of different dyeing methods. Next, leather manufacturers apply oils or greases to the surface of the hides to make the resulting leather softer and more water-resistant. Leather manufacturers then dry the nearly finished leather to around 15% moisture and subsequently raise or recondition the leather to around 20% moisture. After a final stretching, the finished leather is coated one last time to make it resistant to abrasion and the elements. The leather is now ready to be made into a wide array of different consumer goods. Where is leather fabric produced? China produces the most leather by sheer volume, but Chinese leather is more likely to be low quality, so it does not fetch very high prices. Italy is the largest exporter of leather goods by value, and in some cases, top-grain Italian leather can fetch prices more than 10 times higher than reasonably high-quality Chinese leather. Other major leather exporters include Brazil, India, and Russia. Thank you for your attention.